Hello everyone. We're going to do some learning together again. My name is Nikki Woodford, and in this video we're going to take a look at how Google Meet is now integrated right within Google Classroom. This updated feature makes it easy for teachers to create meets to connect with students screen to screen, and it also prevents students from joining a meet when the teacher is not present. In other resources, we have shared how teachers can create meets through Google Calendar. However, this method does not keep students from joining the meet before you or while you are absent. And we have also shared how to create a secure meet with the use of nicknames. In each of the Google Classrooms you now have, you can generate a unique Google Meet link for the students in that class. And the link for the meet can be displayed on the banner of the stream page and also on the classwork page, making it easy for both you and your students to access. You can use the same meet link over and over again anytime you want to do a video meet with your students. However, the students cannot join the meet without you present, so they can't access before you or rejoin after it is over. What I will show you now is how to set up and launch a meet from right within Classroom. Let's now take a look at how this actually works. When you go into your Chrome browser and go to Google Classroom, you see all your classes. Go into one of the classes, go into Settings, and you will see if you scroll down under General, there is now a place to add a Google Meet link. If you click on Generate Meet Link, it's going to create a unique link specific to this Google Classroom that your students in this class can access. Make sure that after you've launched that Meet, that you click Save. Now, just note that if you need to reset this link for any reason, you can click both Copy if you need to share this with someone else, or Reset. So I'm going to click Save. And now I will see both here under the stream in the banner that there is the Meet link. And if I also go to classwork, it's here as well. Let's now test this out. I'm going to go to the students' Google Classroom and I'm going to try and launch the link. So if I click on Google Meet link without the teacher being there, then the link will not work and it will say, sorry, the link is not working. However, if I go to the teacher, I launch the link first. Click join, and now go back to the student. Then you will notice that the link does launch and I can join the class. And this is how both teachers and students can connect screen to screen right within Google Classroom. Just be sure that as the teacher, you want all the students to exit the Google Meet before you click close. There is about a 30-second delay where students could still access the link. And so you just want to make sure that all the students have gone. And if you want to double check, just pop back in about a minute later to ensure that they are gone. So for each of the Google Classrooms you have, you can generate a unique Google Meet link for the students in that classroom. You will need to make sure that you go to each class to turn on that Meet link. The link for the Meet can be displayed on the stream page and the classroom page for easy access. You can also use the same Meet link over and over again anytime you want to video conference with your students. Now, just know this link only works within the edu.sturgeon.ab.ca domain. So if you need to share If you need to have a video conference with someone outside of our Sturgeon domain, then you will want to generate a Meet link through Google Calendar. The students cannot join the Meet without you being present, and at the end, you just want to make sure that all students have left the Meet before ending. If you need more resources to help you with the continuing learning that's happening online, be sure to visit the Ed Services Continuing Learning website, and you can also check out the Learning Together YouTube channel. And as always, it has been a pleasure learning together with you. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Take care and have a great one.